Hey, our friends, today we're going to draw a portal.
Yeah, we're going to draw the Earth portal from the Minecraft movie.
Yes.
We hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. You ready to start? Yep. I first want to give our friends a quick preview of how our portals turned out at the very end. Now, we used markers to draw with and to color, but we also used colored pencils to add texture on top of our drawing.
But remember, you could use whatever you have.
Yeah, like colored pencils or even crayons. This lesson's super simple, but a lot of fun. I hope you're excited to follow along with us. Let's start by drawing the ground that our portal is sitting on. We're gonna draw a line straight across the bottom. Oh, my marker's squeaky. And then we're gonna draw the side of the portal going up on the left side. You could use a ruler too if you want. And also up on the right side. But I like not using a ruler so that we can practice drawing freehand and your lines are super straight.
It's focusing.
Nice job. And I love that we're filling the whole entire paper. We're going to use a lot of markers.
Yeah.
Okay, to color it. Okay, now let's connect the top. Then we need to draw the inside of the portal and also the obsidian blocks. So let's start by drawing the left side. We're going to come in, and we don't want to come in too far. This is the left side. So we're going to draw it coming down all the way from the top to the bottom.
Kind of went in too far.
I like how thick yours are. That's good. I like that our two drawings are different. But you want to try to measure this and get the same width over here. And you might want to just be a little thinner, maybe, so that you have room. No, I think it would work. You should just do it. Okay. And then I'm going to try it too. We're also just guessing on measurements because we also need to divide it up for the blocks.
Yeah.
It'll work.
Got a little thin down here, but
that's okay. We're just practicing.
Yes.
The most important thing is
to have fun.
Yeah, and to
practice.
Yeah, practice. We said that, but to have fun.
And practice.
Okay. All right, now let's draw the top. We're going to draw a square. We want it to be a square for the first block up here in the top left. So I'm turning my paper sideways again, and I'm just kind of guessing with my eyes to draw the top. And then we're also going to draw the bottom down here all the way across. Before we divide it up, let's add some extra details, or divide up the rest of the blocks. We're going to add stairs. First, we're going to draw a line that comes across right here. Then we're going to draw another line across below it. And that's it. That's our stairs getting up to the portal.
Okay.
Now let's divide up the blocks. First, we'll draw one right down the middle so that we have 4 blocks across the top and also 4 blocks across the bottom. Then we need 3 more blocks in this space. I'm going to turn my paper this way and kind of use my eyes to try to measure. These are going to be really tall blocks. They're not quite squares. That's okay. I should have drawn this thicker and then it would have been more of a square, like yours. You did it perfect. Good job. Then we're going to do the same thing over here on this side. Yeah, see how this block is really tall, and that's okay.
It's not going to be as noticeable when you color it.
Yeah, it's going to be all black. And the other thing too is the next time I draw this, I can really work on trying to get those look more like blocks.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. We did it. We finished drawing our portal. Pretty simple, except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part is going to be really awesome. But this part we're going to fast forward. So at the very end, you can pause the video and match our same coloring. We'll also talk about what we did to get the cool swirls inside the portal.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Almost finished. We've colored the portal solid blue in the middle, a light blue. Now we're going to layer on top of it with a darker blue, and we're going to add little swirls, and you don't have to worry about making these look perfect. I'm going to try to make them look messy actually, and add these little swirls around our portal. And I'm going to add maybe around 3 going down the side and 3 on this side too. And then 2 portals or swirls in the middle of the portal. Jack, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our portals and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, they did.
I especially love the little extra texture that we added to make it look cooler. Now, we colored everything solid, especially the obsidian with our dark gray. Then we used a lighter gray colored pencil on top of the marker to give it that obsidian cool texture.
Yeah, I also like the flowers in the grass.
Yeah, we used the green colored pencil to add the grass, and then we just colored these blocky flowers on the side.
Yeah.
These flowers from the movie I thought were really cool. Now you can pause the video right now to match our same coloring. Also remember, you don't have to color it just like us, and you can use something completely different like colored pencils for the whole thing.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing the Earth portal from the Minecraft movie.
And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.